Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on replacing the keyboard and repairing the motherboard of the HP 250G8. Today, we will go through each step in detail, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete the process successfully. Step 1. Gather your tools. To start, you will need a few essential tools. A Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. A plastic spudger or prying tool. Tweezers. A cleaning cloth. Make sure you have these tools ready before we proceed. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Find a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any screws. It's also advisable to wear an anti-static wrist strap to protect the laptop components from static electricity. Step 3. Remove the battery. Before opening the laptop, ensure that it is completely powered off. Flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latches. Slide them to the unlocked position and gently remove the battery from the compartment. This step is crucial for your safety. Step 4. Access the keyboard. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the keyboard. There may be additional screws located under the battery or in the RAM compartment. Keep track of these screws in a small container to avoid confusion later. Step 5. Detach the keyboard. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry up the keyboard. Be cautious with the ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab gently. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 6. Clean the interior. Before installing the new keyboard, take this opportunity to clean the internal components of the laptop. Use a soft cleaning cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This not only helps with airflow but also ensures the new keyboard will fit perfectly. Step 7. Install the new keyboard. Now, take your new keyboard and align it properly. Connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely locked in place. Gently push the keyboard down to fit it back into the chassis. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Step 8. Repairing the motherboard. If you've encountered issues with the motherboard, it's important to diagnose the problem accurately. Check for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you're unsure, we recommend getting a quote before repair. This way, you'll know what to expect. Step 9. Reassemble the laptop. Once you've successfully replaced the keyboard and addressed any motherboard issues, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Replace the battery and ensure all screws are tightened properly. Step 10. Test the laptop. After reassembly, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard functionality. Verify that all keys are working correctly and that there are no issues with the motherboard repair. If you don't have the tools or prefer a hassle-free experience, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenient service wherever you are. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. With these steps, you should now be able to replace the keyboard and repair the motherboard of your HP 250G8 laptop with ease. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.